Hello, this is Vasimula and welcome to my channel. That is Vasimula, graphics and architectural designer. Today I'm going to show you in 3dsmax how to use the Boolean tool in 3dsmax, and in Boolean how to use the subtract, intersect, merge, unite, union, you can say it. Without any wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Now take a box in perspective viewport, drag it upward, change its color. Now make another box in front viewport, drag it to the front side and come to the top viewport. Now make it into the front side. Now now I have selected the perspective viewport. As you can see, the yellow line in the border. Maximize it. More than half of the small box I have dragged it outside, as you can see. Now I will use the Boolean command. If you want to subtract hole or into, if you want to have a hole to this box, let's select this box, come to the compound object, then select the boolean, add operand. Now I'll apply the subtract option. Subtract, it makes holes. As you can see, the hole right now it is not full hole. How to make it? Edit poly, apply edit poly modifier, select the polygon and delete the polygon. Now the hole is there. Now select from here faces. As you can see, the hole. Now first select this object, as I have a hole in this object. Let's undo it. Select this come to the compound object, select operand and make union, right? It unite the object, as you can see it. Now they are all one. Union means unite. They are all one. All of them are included. It become. Now I have undo it. Now go to the boolean again, add operand, and this time select intersect. The area and this area will be it will keep other the rest of the area of the two boxes. It will be deleted, because I have the as you can see, I have the whole area and this box I have selected. Now let me tell you about this. If I drag it to this area, as you can see, this green line, the strokes or this part is inside. It will they will keep this part, as you can see, which is not showing right now, of this box, green box. This line they will keep from here downside to this side, and from here top to bottom, and this side and this side they will keep. Rest of the area of the two boxes, it will be deleted. This box, green box, and the rest of the box, two boxes will be deleted. This part they will keep. Right now I'm telling you the top viewport. Now this part, as you can see it, it will be deleted. This part will be deleted. Now this part, they will keep. Rest of the area, they will it will be deleted. Now again I will tell you, go to compound object, select boolean, add operand, make intersect. They will keep this part, which I have told you. The rest of the box it will be deleted. Intersect do that work. Union do all the, they become one unite, and subtract the if you want they subtract the object. If you want to make a hole to this object, it will make a hole over there. It will delete that part. Now in this it also in the merge also do the same as union. Now I applied the merge command. They become one right now. Now I have undo it. Let's go to boolean again. Add operand, select or add operand. Add operands, and this time select attach. Now attach also do the same work as union and merge do. They become unite. Attach also do the same work like union and merge. And now I undo it. Let's go to other option, select add operand, and this time intersect. Go for intersect. Let me select add operand. It also do the same work. And that's it for now. I'll be back with the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye.